Hi there, my name is Dave Blake from EGD, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to program the auto close setting on the nice MC800 control panel. So at this stage you might want to access the standard parameters or the first level of parameters to change some of the settings, such as the auto close function. To get into the first level of parameters, you need to press and hold down this stop set button until the L1 LED starts to flash. Now when that starts flashing, L1 through L8, they all have different functions that you can change. L1 being the one for auto close. So if I press and hold that down, the stop set for around about 5 seconds until L1 starts flashing, then let go. You'll notice there's a quick flash at the moment. If I press stop set again, you'll have a longer flash. And that means you've just toggled it from semi-automatic to automatic. When that times out, L1 LED, that should stay on, and that will indicate that the auto close mode is now active. So when I send this a command to open, its default time setting is about 30 seconds. So it will count down from 30 seconds and then the gates will automatically close. So that summarises how to program the auto close setting on the nice MC800. For more information, contact us on the details below. And for the latest in industry news and our latest offers, please follow us on social media.